Imagine you could have a second phone number without adding a second line to your plan. No more juggling multiple devices or feeling overwhelmed by endless notifications. What if you could keep your personal and professional life separate, all while maintaining a single, affordable monthly bill? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the world of Ooma and exploring how you can get a second phone number for a fraction of the cost. What is Ooma? Ooma is a popular VoIP voice-over internet protocol provider that offers a range of affordable phone services. Unlike traditional landlines, Ooma uses your internet connection to make and receive calls, providing flexibility and cost-effectiveness. One of the standout features of Ooma is the ability to add multiple phone numbers to your account. Why get a second phone number? There are countless reasons why you might want a second phone number. Here are just a few. Keep personal and professional life separate. If you run a business or freelance, having a dedicated phone number for work can help you maintain a better work-life balance. Protect your privacy. A second phone number can provide an extra layer of privacy by keeping your personal number private. Travel without roaming charges. Use your Ooma number to make and receive calls while traveling without incurring expensive roaming fees. Add a line for a family member or roommate. If you live with others, adding a second line to your Ooma account can be a convenient and cost-effective way to share phone expenses. How much does a second phone number with Ooma cost? The cost of a second phone number with Ooma depends on the specific plan you choose. However, Ooma is generally known for its affordable pricing. Here's a breakdown of the typical costs. Ooma Office. This plan is designed for businesses and offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling, voicemail, and call forwarding. The cost for a second phone number with Ooma Office typically starts at around $10 per month. Ooma Telo. This is a popular residential plan that offers a range of features, including unlimited calling, voicemail, and caller ID. The cost for a second phone number with Ooma Telo is usually around $5 per month. Additional costs to consider. While the monthly fee for a second phone number is relatively low, there are a few additional costs to keep in mind. Hardware. If you don't already have an Ooma device, you'll need to purchase one. The cost of the device varies depending on the model you choose. Taxes and fees. Depending on your location, you may be subject to additional taxes and fees. How to get a second phone number with Ooma. Getting a second phone number with Ooma is a simple process. Here's a general overview of the steps involved. Choose a plan. Decide which Ooma plan best suits your needs. Purchase hardware. If necessary, purchase an Ooma device. Set up your account. Create an Ooma account and add a second phone number. Activate your number. Follow the instructions provided by Ooma to activate your new number. Ooma features and benefits. In addition to affordable pricing, Ooma offers a variety of features and benefits that make it a popular choice for both residential and business users. Here are a few of the key features. Unlimited calling. Enjoy unlimited calling to the US and Canada. Voicemail. Never miss a call with Ooma's voicemail service. Caller ID. See who's calling before you answer. Call forwarding. Forward calls to another number. Call waiting. Put a caller on hold while you answer another call. Three-way calling. Connect 3 people on the same call. Do not disturb. Silence incoming calls during specific times. Call blocking. Block unwanted calls. Ooma versus other VoIP providers. There are many VoIP providers on the market, so it's important to compare options before making a decision. Here's a brief comparison of Ooma to some of its main competitors. Vonage. Vonage offers a similar range of features to Ooma, but the pricing may be slightly higher. RingCentral. RingCentral is a popular choice for businesses and offers a variety of advanced features, but the pricing can be more expensive. Google Voice. Google Voice is a free service that offers basic features like voicemail and call forwarding. However, it may have limitations compared to paid VoIP providers. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable way to get a second phone number, Ooma is definitely worth considering. With its competitive pricing, wide range of features, and easy setup, Ooma can provide a great solution for both personal and professional use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.